Good evening, boys and girls. So this is another day here, another adventure. So, as you might see, just right out of the box, we got two cool things happened. I found a set of stock rear fenders, steel rear fenders, and went and got them from a local guy here. So that went really well. So now we have the right fenders, and I still have to deal with the fenders that I have. But we also cut out the rot here and went ahead and made this panel, trimmed up this panel and got it to where you see here. Right now it's just screwed on. But we did, and what happens here, and you'll see here in about 2 seconds, this is what happens when you get rid of all that rot. We went ahead and put those braces in and spot welded them to the new panel. Everything's set up and ready to go. We also added in a piece of 3/4 by 3/4 1/8 inch angle right here. This lip was pretty much gone, so we put that in and spot welded that, and just to give all of this support and make it strong. So it should be stronger than ever. Everything's been hit with weldable primer, all the things. I did get this wheel well ground down. That's all done today. But yeah, most of the day was spent right here. You can see the spot welds. But yeah, so hopefully tomorrow, the plan is we're gonna pull this out one more time, grind down some of the welds on the bottom side, and then put it in and weld it in for good. And then we'll be right where we need to be. We'll trim up a couple edges, do a little hammer and dolly and get everything to fit perfect, and we'll be right where we need to be. And I think we're gonna do some work on the back as well to all the louvers. So we're gonna make all that work, but this is what we got. Big day. We also did a run on materials, so auto body materials. So we got some more body filler. We got some Fibrolite right there. We got more weldable primer, and I feel like I bought something else, but I don't remember what it was. Oh yeah, I got body filler, and then I got some spreaders and all of that, some more strainers and this, that, and the other. So we are in a really good spot. Tomorrow, we're gonna come in here, take that out, get it ready, finish getting it ready, get it completely welded in and ground down. And then we'll start doing the top piece here. That'll be the next phase. I don't know if that'll be tomorrow or if that'll be what, but we wanna get this one in first just for structural strength, stability, so nothing weird happens. But, you know, when you look up under here, that is just a hell of a lot better than it was. So that's what we're looking for. And when you look inside of here, you know, tomorrow we'll be getting rid of that top piece and everything will just kind of come together. And I still got to get the paint off, but you know, baby steps. But rear fenders, it's huge. We now have all the body parts, which is great. And really, these are in great shape. Won't require much work. They do have the brackets on them, which is great. So that was good. Found them on Facebook Marketplace. And the guy was literally 10 minutes from my house. So that worked out great. Price was right and really good guy. So if you're watching this, thank you so much. Appreciate it. And but otherwise, that is kind of the update for today. Been a lot of just cutting out nasty rot, but most of the rust on this car is gone. Other than that, you know, so, and that'll be in the next couple of days. So hopefully by the end of the weekend, we have this completely where we need to be, and we are focused 100% on bodywork and getting this right. So that's the plan. I got a feeling I've got a lot of sanding in my future, and but that's okay. And then once we get all this stuff together and done, then we'll put the piece that goes here, and then we'll put that guy in, and then we're there. So lots happening, a lot of things going on. I mean, you know, these jobs take a while. So, you know, thank God we already had that piece made back there. You know, if we had to make that piece, I mean, you're probably talking a couple hours minimum to cut it out and make it and put all the louvers in it and so on and so forth. You know, before you ever get to actually setting it in there, trimming it, you know, making it totally fit 100%. So just lots and lots of things that we've done previously that are now coming together, and we're kind of seeing the fruits of our labor. So, but it's going to be a short one today, boys and girls. I just wanted to show you what we have, and big deal today. This was the elephant in the room as far as I was concerned, as far as rust on this whole car. This was the one thing, no matter what angle I took a video or a picture of this, you always saw the white with the brown rust, and it was just, you know, not great. So that's where we're at. We will probably hit you up tomorrow with another update, barring we get any farther. If we get up into this top one, I'll do another update and show you guys what that looks like, and what the finished product here, how that turns out. So you guys have a great night, and we'll see you tomorrow or the next day. Have a good one.